Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download Discord on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download Discord on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to go to Google Chrome or any web browser in your device. And once you're on Google Chrome, go and search for the official Discord website. And after searching, you will now be directed to the official Discord website. So once you're on the website, you will then be able to see the download option, which is where you can download Discord. Just go and click it. And then click this to completely download your Discord setup. And after that, your Discord setup will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start setting up your Discord installation. And after that, your Discord will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once the installation is finished, your Discord will automatically open. So right here, you just need to log in to your Discord account if you already have one, but if you don't, then just create an account right here. So to create an account, you just need to set up your information such as your email, username, and password. And reminder guys, make sure that the email you will use here is an email that you can open, because Discord will send a verification message to your email account later in order to verify your Discord account. And once you're done setting up your account information, you can now click continue. And then just answer these CAPTCHAs in order to verify that you are human. And here's the verification that I told you earlier guys. So to verify your account, just click this. And after that, Discord will send a verification message to your email account, so just go and open it. And after opening your email account, you will now be able to see the verification message, so just open the message. And to finally verify your Discord account, just click the verify email button right here. And after that, your Discord will now finally be verified. You can now go back. And then there you go guys, it's done. You will now have your Discord. Now that you have your Discord, you can now connect with your friends and communities online. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.